Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you a chemical free and natural lip balm which you can easily make at home for this winter. And starting with this video, I'll be showing you a set of skincare and hair care products which you can easily make at home. This is not only useful but also inexpensive way of making your own products. If you want to know, please continue watching. To make this natural lip balm, I am using a bunch of oils. First comes this avocado oil. Avocado oil nourishes your lips, keeps it smooth, soft and supple throughout the day. And the next oil I'm taking is this olive oil. Olive oil also keeps your lips smooth, and it also helps to prevent any dryness and chapped lips. The next ingredient or the main oil of this lip balm is the coconut oil. This coconut oil also will prevent blackening of the lips, or it prevents tanning of the lips during winters also. So if you don't have any other oils, you can only use coconut oil. So the main ingredient or the main product of this lip balm is this beeswax. This gives the texture or the stiffness to the lip balm. So this is the main ingredient which you can use. This is the beeswax, and this is the natural beeswax which is derived from the honeycomb. If you don't have beeswax, then you can substitute with Vaseline. But when you use Vaseline, that is a chemical, it's a petroleum product, it will not be natural. And to add a few drops of lavender essential oil. And then I'm using this old lip balm container. If you have a new one, that's well and good. If you have old, you need to wash it and sterilize it and keep it. And you can also use a small container where you can just drop it in your purse or a handbag, and you can carry it anywhere you like. So these are the ingredients what you require for making the lip balm. The method to make this lip balm is that you need to melt all the oils together. First, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of this beeswax. And to that I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of the mixture of all oils. If you don't have any other oil, you can only use coconut oil. So here I'm taking 2 tablespoons of the oil mixture of all oils. First goes the coconut oil, then olive oil, and then few drops of avocado oil. So once you drop everything in a bowl, you need to melt this in a double boiler method. As you can see here, I'm using a rice cooker where I've heated water, and I'm going to keep the bowl in which I have got all the oils along with the beeswax. So this takes at least 2 to 3 minutes to melt. Make sure that the beeswax are completely melted, and once it is melted, you can remove from the water and add the lavender drops. This lavender drops will ensure the fragrance of the lip balm, and also it keeps it nourished throughout the day. So immediately after you add the essential oil, you need to drop it, or you need to pour it into the containers. Once you have poured all the melted oils into these containers, you need to keep it aside for at least half an hour at room temperature for it to set. If you want to expedite this process of setting, then you can keep it in the refrigerator for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So if you have any oils remaining in the bowl, then you can remelt it and pour it back into the same containers and use it. So after half an hour, the lip balm will be ready, and you can use it throughout your winter months or otherwise also. So while the oils will give all the nourishment, the beeswax which you have used will give the structure or the stiffness to this lip balm. So as you can see here, after half an hour, I will roll up the pin, and this is how it looks. The lip balm is ready, and this is quite hard because of the beeswax which I have used. If you have used less beeswax, then this will become more softer. For me, this hardness is required. That is why I have used 2 tablespoons of the beeswax. If you want more smoother and more softer lip balm, then you can reduce the quantity of beeswax which you have used. Instead of using 2 tablespoons, you can use 1.5 tablespoons. So this is the easiest way of making lip balms at home, and this can be easily given as gifts to your family and friends during winters. I'm sure they would love it. And this is all natural and organic, and this doesn't contain any chemicals. You can keep this for more than 3 months and use it, and if you find it any change of smell or color, then you can discard it. So this is the inexpensive way also of making lip balms. So if you want to know more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.